big the ship is from Ed. The error si Mamshi. Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, February 11, 2025. We have a schedule for an excursion today. This is our only stop left before heading back home to Miami. Hello. Touchdown, Jamaica. So look how big the ship is from end to end. Hello! So, we're already here in Jamaica and then nahabilin jud me. Wala na may kay baware ang mga classmates kay sige man make picture ni Giles. Ano may mga words na gitudlo sa mga katrabaho?
Bambaklat.
Unsa pa man?
The people!
Right, what's your name?
Arthur, man.
Where you from, man?
Canada.
Having a good time?
Oh, yeah.
We love about Jamaica.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Good. I'm not lying.
We're here. Where are we?
We are here at Reggae Hill.
Reggae Hill.
Where?
Atin na mood.
Freaking error. The error si Mamshi. Okay, liganan ako guys. Hindi na ko kamay. Thank you. And coleslaw and something bread. Kita. Take a picture. Yes, at the bar. At the bar? Good food. Jamaica and Grand Cayman has similar taste buds with Philippines. So tastes like home. Everything. Everything.
Warning, lifeguard off duty. Swim at your own
Risk. Swim. Take risk. So, kumusta man imuhang Jamaica experience, Didi?
Nice. Nice experience.
Nalingaw ra ka?
Yes, parang usawa malingaw.
Nalingaw ko, uy.
Lingaw
Bisag
din.
error ako ang body.
Na-error siya kadali.
Puro day tambal na ko. Kumusta man imong bakasyon?
Happy. Looking forward for
For the
another
Travel.
cruise, another travel. Hopefully next year.
Nako ato ha so magbook og another cruise na
Hopefully
abot.
next year.
Yeah. We finally made it in the ship and we're right on time, 3:28. We were running like a triathlon athletes. That was a really nerve-wracking experience. We were like 2 minutes already, then we're late. Oh my gosh, I really can't imagine maybe if mahabilin ta, then all of our passports are in our cabin. We only have our photo ID with us. That sucks.
Okay, in the middle. All right, and the last we have a.
Today is already February 12, 2025, and it's already 12:16 in the afternoon. So, me and gals are currently here at Hibachi because we're gonna have our breakfast and lunch. So we did not eat anything for breakfast. This is the first meal of the day, and it's a bit heavy meal. So good luck to us. Naka-experience na kayo nani?
Ano nga na siya?
Ano magluto-luto sa tubangan other than sangyup?
Sangyo.
So this is Gal's first time. So I hope this is gonna be a memorable one. I'm excited. I'm excited to eat, honestly.
Walk around the court and then walk to a restaurant. Welcome to my first day.
From Philippines, mabuhay.
Oh, from Philippines. Any celebration, birthdays, anniversary?
Anniversary.
Wow, happy anniversary! Congratulations! I got a film. Arthur, open your mouth. It's ready. Let's. All right. It's so hard unless you sit on the wrong spot. But it's so hard.
New York City. Tastes so good.
Here comes the magic. All right. very high. Thank you.
Check, baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, check, baby, 1, 2, 3.
Our Giles is having the chocolate lava
Alright, so anything
cake.
gonna get for you? So,
We have
everything okay?
How was your experience with the brunch?
May tamang spoon.
Enjoy Raka?
Oo.
Are you sure?
Lusog na.
The one who served us was so funny as well. He's a Filipino. It was really a 10 out of 10 na lunch. We really enjoyed it. Kaya siya, maglakaw-lakaw sa amin ni Giles kay para ma-burn amo ang calories na gikaon para dili ni sleepy. Kay once we're sleeping, di na mi manambok. And that's what we've been doing lately. Time check, it is already around 3 p.m. And then I just stopped by sa, like, their duty free here. Kaya na-timingan dyan na nahurot ako ang perfume. Like, my most favorite perfume, which is the Burberry Fur. I bought one again. This is my most favorite perfume ever. I also love the Valentino Donna. But, mo dyan siya ang pinaka aces of all aces for me. Ay! Kasi katawa niya, Ibi. Si Giles, kasi hindi siya katawa. Kaya ang mga classmate diri, puro mga gore. Puro na mga tiguan. Kunya, magkatawa si Giles, kasi usahay mga lamba or maglisod o barog. But kaya siya. Again, it's this one. Ha? Mabawra na eh.
Meow meow for her.